So this is an improved combat shelter. It is made by OCP or OCA or RCA, or well, I don't even know who made it, but it is a military surplus tent. It is, you can get the light fighter version, which is newer if you hate this type of camo. But they're new for the civilian market. They're not surplus yet on the military market. They're about $300. So this one used now, you can find them in surplus for 90 bucks. And I wanted a good quality one-man tent without breaking the bank. And this thing is about new. I love it. So this is a blackout cover on the Rainfly, which means it will be completely dark at all times, including your light won't shine out. So if someone's trying to bomb you on your overland adventures or they're flying the mysterious drones, they will not spot you because your light will be blocked. But better and more that people will use is the sunlight won't come in, so you can sleep well. You've got a little hollow vestibule here that the Rainfly makes where you can put your gear and your boots. You have an opening. This is the main entrance right here with the zipper. And you have another area right here you can use for the zipper, or it can just be the vent. It's vented up top with the Rainfly covering it. With the Rainfly has the blackout on it, and you can zip that up. Just 2 poles for the tent. You can see where they cross right there. They're the same size, which makes it easy. The Rainfly uses its own pole too. It is a smaller size, and that is it. And we will do a long-term review of this. I'm gonna buy 2. I was gonna try a different military surplus one, but they're hard to find now. These are the ones that are currently, as of 2024, easy to find on eBay and Amazon, again, for about $100. And so it's about $200 off. The downside is mine was about new. I can't find any wear on it at all. I got lucky. It's a roll of the dice with surplus equipment. I don't think mine was ever issued. It just looked brand new. So my first one, I got really lucky. The problem is I think they store them in some kind of cargo container or something with oil, or who knows, or they put them up wet or used, and then the sun gets to them and they stink. I've got dryer sheets in there. It's a good thing the smell does not come across camera. I can't open this because, oh, I can from the outside. To get in, you can see the dryer sheets. This material is lightweight but strong, and it stuck together. It was gross peeling it out with that vapor coming out. Now on the inside, it's trying to, it smells like a mix of old baby's vomit and dryer cleaner. So those of you with young kids who know that weird, nasty smell of when your kids have just thrown up and you've started cleaning it up, that's about where this tent is right now. So I saved $200 and bought a tent that stank. And so we're gonna air it out. Hopefully it will work well once it's aired out. And we are excited. So we've got more tents on the channel. Anyway, if any of you are still here, awesome. And hope to see you guys on the trail.